Namaskaram. This is my seventh impromptu, and in Carnatic music concepts explained, I am naming it as the intricacies in the Melakarta system, which I have noticed. I am dividing it into two further parts. One is the 72 Mela system, which has pure combination ragas, and the difference between it forms an arithmetic progression. I will explain this, and then the name of chakras, why those names are given. There is a significance in giving those names, and there is a trick for remembering that name. Yes. Now the first part, the pure combinations. Let's take an example, and I will illustrate first, then I will explain it. First, okay, remember this one. Sari ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa. This is first Melakarta Kanakangi. And the next one, Sari ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa. Hanumat Todi. This is. And the next one, Sari ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa. Maya Malagola. The next one, Sari ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa. Karharapriya. Next one, Sari ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa. Chalanat. Why I am specifically saying the 6 ragas is because in the 6 chakras that are present in the first part of the Melakarta system 1 to 36, these ragas are the most unique ragas. Why? Because in the first Kanakangi, Sari ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa, this swarams are there, right? No other swaram other than the Rishabham, Daivatam, Madhyamam, Panchamam and Shadjam are repeated in the next. They have pure Gandharam and pure Nishadam, the different one. I have termed it as different pair itself. Yes, the 8th one is Hanumat Todi. Again with Hanumat Todi we are making these similar changes. Okay, in Hanumat Todi we are making the similar changes, and we are getting Maya Malagola by changing the Ga and Ni. Again the Gandharam and Nishadam being changed. Now from Maya Malagola we are changing both Rishabham, Gandharam and Daivatam and Nishadam to get out Karaharapriya. Yes, Karaharapriya. In Karaharapriya we are again changing the Gandharam and Nishadam to get out Shankaravarnam. In Shankaravarnam we are changing the Rishabham and Daivatam to get the Chalanat. These are pure set of combination. The set of combination is not there. There will be the first part, that Re1, Re2, Re1, Ga1, Da1, Ni1 will be a set. Re1, Ga2, Da1, Ni2 will be another set. Here no such, there will be combination of these sets, but there is no other combination of these are the pure ones. And the difference between them is most fascinating. See, the Melakarta number of Kanakangi is 1, Hanumat Todi is 8, Maya Malagola is 15, Karaharapriya is 22, Dheera Shankaravarnam is 29, Chalanata is 36. The difference is 7, the number as far as in the Carnatic music system. You know, this is such a fascinating thing which could be noticed, that I noticed. Again, if you want to see this pattern, you will have to start from 37 again, because it starts with Prati Madhyamam. So 37, then 37 plus 7 will be 44, 51, 58 and 63 and 7. No, I will do it again. 37, 44, 51, 58. Yeah, there where I made a mistake. 58, then 65, 72. It rounds up to 72 and ends there. So this is how this thing I observed in this Melakarta system. And those who have did the structure of Melakarta system are brilliant, especially Venkatamaki. Such a brilliance in the system. Like, we can't imagine of such things today. I'll dig deeper into this. First up is the Melakarta system is completely algorithmic. Like, how to say? Even if the entire set of Melakarta is lost, we can create the Melakarta system again using the rules. So that is the beauty of this creation. This is not an mortal creation. This is immortal creation. So the 72 Melakarta are complete set of possibilities we can have with the said rules. As I have already said in my first video, 72 is the maximum possible number mathematically. And then the system, by providing the base for the Janya Ragas, it provides a base to reduce ambiguity in the whole system, and exactly to one scale, one parent, the all Melakarta Ragas are classified. And the Ri, Gha, Dha, Ni combinations are brilliant in such a way that each and every chakra is very meaningful. The first chakra will have the same Ri and Ga for the 6 things. Dha and Ni will be changing. For the next chakra, Ri and Ga will be different, but Dha and Ni will be changing the same pattern as it was in the first chakra. So that knowledge is just a brilliance. And then one more thing which I noticed is, when you change one note of the raga, it will change the entire emotion of the raga. Yes, we will take a beautiful example. Okay. This is Karahara Priya. Yes. Na la 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 ra na ra ra na na ra na ra ra na ra. This has one emotion, right? Have this emotion in your mind. Now, ra na na ra na ra na. Ra la ra ra na la na la na re ra na 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 ra na ra. I only changed the nishadam. It results in Gauri Manohari. Now see, a simple change in a single note leads you to something brilliant. Like, it entirely changes the emotion of the raga. And one more thing which we are gifted to have the system is Katapayadi system. I will do a separate impromptu on this, because with this Katapayadi system you can derive the Melakarta's name from the Melakarta number from the name of the raga. That is one such system. It is like data decoded in a system. Let's have that way. Then we have there is an if we take the other musics, English music or Western scale music, we will be having C, D, E, F, G, A and B are the notes. And if we take more Western type, we have another type called Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti. That will be the Swaras. So Sa is the tonic note here. Even if you take C as Sa, B as Sa, or A as Sa, the Melakarta relationship won't change. That's what we have discussed in Grahabedam also. Though there are 72 Melakarta, only a couple of Melakarta are being practiced. Few Melakartas are very rarely practiced. They are not at all handling those Melakartas. Like, few Melakartas are there, like Rasika Priya we can take. or Sucharitra we can take. They are all very rarely practiced. And this is the then we have so the parent subsidiary or parent janya case is what we used to debate on. Is this from this Melakarta only? I have already said answers to these. This will be from this Melakarta depending upon the gamakam you are giving to it, right? Yes. So this is the just brilliance of the Melakarta system. And there are 6 plus 6, 12 chakras are there. So the reason for naming those chakra each is again another brilliance. So the Melakarta system is actually fascinating. They have more intellectual combinations. So these 12 chakras are named as Indu, Netra, Agni, Veda, and so on. So why they are named? What is the reasons? The 12 chakras are meaningful names. First chakra is named as Indu. Indu means moon. We have only one moon. As far as Earth is concerned, okay, those science students, please don't complicate this. As far as Earth is concerned, we have one moon. Indu means moon. So it is the first chakra. Then Netra, we have 2 eyes. Humans are concerned, we have 2 eyes. So Netra is the second. Agni, we have 3 forms of Agni. It is third. Veda, we have 4 Vedas. Bhana, we have 5 Bhanas or 5 flower arrows. Ritu, we have 6 seasons. Rishi, we have Sapta Rishi. Ashtavasu, 8 elemental deities. 9 Brahma, 9 forms of creations are there. Dishi, directions, there are 10 directions, not 4, not 8, there are 10. East, west, north, south, northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest, up and down. So 10. Rudras, there are 11 forms of Rudra. Dwadasha Aditya, there are 12 solar deities. So this is how they have named the entire system. Indu, Netra, Agni, Veda, Bana, Ritu, Rishi, Vasu, Brahma, Dishi, Rudra and Aditya. These are also named for the purpose of memorizing it. These are not just random names. There is one Indu, so it's the first chakra. There are 2 Netras, so it's second chakra. There are 3 Agni, third chakra. 4 Veda, 5 Bana, 6 Ritu, 7 Rishi, 8 Vasu, 9 Brahma, 10 Dishi, 11 Rudra and 12 Aditya. This is such a brilliant. These also act as a memory aid. Okay. So when you say like 37 to 42, where it lies? It lies in Rishi chakra. How would you find out? So Rishi chakra is the 7th chakra. 37 to 42. 42 by 6. 6 is 7. 7th chakra is Rishi, Sapta Rishi. So by that way we can identify this. These are all the few hidden things about Melakarta which no one talks. So I took these topics today and I have spoken this. So Ram Ram, Namaskar.